guys. It is so early right now, and honestly, I kind of just want to sleep, but instead, we are gonna go thrifting, and I'm gonna be doing a thrift flip. I haven't done one in literally like 6 months, and I really miss it. I also have new hair, so I'm trying to get some cute stuff to match with it, because if you couldn't tell, every time I change my hair, I like to color coordinate my outfits to my hair. Don't ask why, I don't know. I just like to do it. Anyways, in this video, I want to do 4 thrift flips. So here are my ideas. For the first one, I'm thinking patchwork denim jeans. I've seen these everywhere on Pinterest, and I love them. They are so freaking cute and cool. So yeah, I want to try to make my own. For the pattern of the jeans, I'm thinking a color scheme that's gonna go with my hair, so we'll see what I find once I'm thrifting. And then for number 2, bustier top, or bustier, I don't know how to say it, but it's these tops. I've been wearing them from time to time, and I am obsessed. I want to try and find one so I can add maybe some cute little lace to it, or some little flowers, or a little bow, and if there's anything I don't like about it, I'll probably change it. And then for number 3, I'm gonna be doing a baby tee. Baby tees are another trend that I've seen everywhere, so I'm gonna try to make one myself. For the baby tee, I'm thinking of just getting like a simple shirt and adding a cute little patch to it, like maybe, I don't know, a flower or a rose. And then for number 4, my 4th thrift flip, honestly, I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but I do have a few ideas. I'm thinking either like I can make a cute little skirt, maybe cut up a jacket, maybe alter a top that I find and I really like, maybe even make a matching set. So we'll just have to wait and see on what I find when I go thrifting. In this video, as you know, I plan on going out to thrift, but there's also a lot of great options for thrifting online. I like to online thrift because I can do it at home, and it's easier and faster to look through a bunch of clothing all at once. One of my favorite online thrift stores is also the sponsor of today's video, and they are called ThredUp. ThredUp is basically an online giant thrift store with tons of cool brands that can be up to 90% off the estimated retail price. They add tons of new clothes every single day, and they triple check all of their pieces for their quality. ThredUp is offering you fairies 30% off your first order. Just click the link in the description and use my code DOFAIry. ThredUp has some really cute, unique looking clothing. I found a bunch that I love, so let me show you guys real quick a few of my favorite pieces. This outfit is so freaking adorable and stylish. Sleeveless top is from Bozolo. It was originally around $15, but with ThredUp it was $12.99, which is even better. The lilac jeans are from J. Crew and were originally $128, which is a lot of money for some jeans, but ThredUp made it 77% off, so it was only $30. And the bag is from Ann Taylor. She was originally $118, but came out to only $38.99 instead. Here's another outfit that I really like. It's perfect for fall. The skirt that I'm wearing is from Decree, originally $27, but on ThredUp it came out to only $10. As for the sweater, she's from Wild Fox. She's more on the pricier side, originally $143, but I got her for $113 instead, and it came brand new with the tags and everything. Shopping on ThredUp is literally so easy. You can set your sizes and filter the price, so you know you can find things that you like. I like to filter by the color and the condition because, as you guys know, I am picky and I love pink. Thanks again to ThredUp for sponsoring. They're really a great way to thrift online, and their clothing is super cute. If you guys want to get something from them, make sure to use my code DOFAIry for 30% off your first order. And I'm also going to be flipping these 2 items I got from ThredUp along with some other pieces from my local thrift store. So let's get started and find some cute things. Hi, so I'm in the car now. We're about to go to Goodwill. The Goodwill we're heading to, I've never been to before because I'm still new to LA. So let's pray that I find some good stuff. This trip should be pretty easy, hopefully, because I have these jeans right here. And for these jeans, I want to add some patches to it. I'm gonna try to find some brown pants and maybe like a lighter pink pant. And then for this pink long sleeve, I'm gonna try to find a cute patch that I could put onto it, which I'll probably get at the craft store once I'm done thrifting. I'm gonna try to find a cute little tank top so that I can add like some lace to it, some bows, some flowers. I don't know. I just want to make it look cute and dainty. And for the 4th item, we'll just have to wait and see what I find. Whatever I find at the thrift store that I happen to get an idea for, I'll probably end up getting. Let's get going. Hi, so I'm in Goodwill right now. We're about to get started on looking for things and find some stuff. First thing we're gonna try to look for is a top to match my patchwork denim jeans that I plan to do. I think I'm gonna try to look for a top that is either pink or white. or maybe brown. So let's see what we find. I found this top. It looks so freaking cute. It says it's a size small, but it does look a little bit big. I think I'm gonna get it because honestly this is the best thing that I'm probably gonna find. It's really hard to find these things at thrift stores, so I'm really glad I came across this. The next thing we're gonna try to do is find some different colored jeans for my patchwork idea. I'm in the men's section right now because I wanted to find some colorful jeans for my patchwork idea, and I came across these two colors. We have this dark brown color. I decided to go with white as the third color because the top that I showed you guys before is white, so I felt like adding white to the jeans would make it very cohesive instead of kind of random. Hopefully it looks good. Hopefully it's not too funky. We'll see how this goes. After finding the other colors for my jeans, After finding the other colors for my jeans, I went ahead and looked around like the entire store basically to think of my fourth idea. I think I finally came up with the last thing that I should do. I came across this really cute top, so I'm gonna show you guys it right now. This is the top that I ended up finding. I found it in the lingerie section. It is so freaking cute. It does say it's the size large and I'm a size small, but I really like it. So my goal for this top is to basically make it fit me and look nice. So yeah, that is my fourth thing. So we are done with thrifting. Now we are gonna go to the craft store and get the other things I need to complete my ideas. Just checked out. I think I got some pretty good finds. I'm really excited to thrift flip them. So now the next thing we need to do is go to the craft store, probably Joann's or Michael's. Let's head over to the next store. So I just walked into Joann's. I came across the patch section and they have a lot of cute things. Here it is behind me. Look at all this stuff. Oh my god, I am excited. So I'm gonna look through and we're gonna go over the ones that I like. I brought my shirt so I can see what would look best. Here are the few that I like. I don't really think I like that. It's not really the same shade. I'll put that back. Then we have this cherry. I think that would still look cute. It doesn't look too bad, so that's an option. Then we have this one, which also looks pretty cute. I can't decide between these two patches. I think both would look great. We're gonna have you fairies decide. So I'm gonna do a poll on my story, and then once I'm done shopping, whatever has the most votes is what I'm gonna do for this top. We'll see what happens. Now I'm gonna take a picture of it.
Yeah, like that. So we're gonna let the fans decide, guys.
Here is the story. Now we're gonna post it and see what happens.
Guys,
oh, there you go.
There
it's
goes
posted. Okay, we're gonna check back when I find everything else, and whichever one has the most votes is the one I will get. We found all the ribbons. There's so many. Oh my god, I'm overwhelmed. I'm gonna see which one I end up picking. I just finished shopping and I found everything that I need. I'm gonna show you guys everything once I'm home. Now that I'm done shopping, that means I'm gonna look at the poll for the patches, and whichever one has the most votes is the patch that I'm gonna get. So we're about to open up Instagram and see which one has the most votes. It is the butterfly. Thank you guys for your good taste. Hi, so it is now the next day. Yesterday I finished thrifting and getting all the stuff that I need from the craft store, so let me show you guys what I got, but in my living room. First thing that I got was this cute little bustier top. Still don't know how to say it. Here's what it looks like. It is so freaking cute. If it's too long, I'm probably gonna cut it. We have the jeans. These are the jeans that I'm gonna do the little patches on. I went with a color scheme of dark brown, the pink, and then white. I did the white so it could go with the top, so I'm planning on making this like a matching set. Hopefully it looks good together, or else I'm just gonna have to style it separately, but ideally I want it to be together. For the next thing, we have this simple little top. It looks like it's like kind of stretchy, but it's actually very fitted when it's on me. What I plan to do to this one, I'm gonna cut it and then I'm gonna add the stitching like I said I was gonna do, and add a little patch to it, which I'll show you guys in a bit. And I'm gonna add stitching like in this area. I also washed all of the clothes so they smell good. Nice and fresh. And then here is the top. It is so freaking cute. I feel like it goes with my hair so well. I love the shade of pink. Look at the details of it. But the issue here is that it's a large and I am a small. I'm probably gonna have to alter this top. And to show you guys what I got from the craft store, I went to Joann's and here is what I got. Joann's was pretty pricey, $119. Everything was like literally $3, but I guess because it got so much, it ended up being that much. Was it worth it? No, but I got some cute things. In case things don't work out, I got backup, so I got my trusty liquid stitch and fabric tape. Everybody in my comments is coming at me saying like, why are you using tape? Why are you using glue? It's just gonna come off. It is meant for fabric, people, okay? And then I got the butterfly patch. I got some pins. I also got some invisible, what is it? Disappearing ink. I'm gonna write on my clothing so you know I know where to stitch, and then it disappears in like 24 hours, I believe. And then the last thing that I got was this really cute lacy thing. Well, it's not really lace, I guess you could say. It's more like little flowers. But yeah, this is what I plan on using for the lace on my bustier top. Yeah, that's everything that I got. So now let's go try this on and see what it looks like on me. Here are the pink pants. I love these so much. These are so freaking cute, and they're matching with my top. Wow. Here are the pants. They fit me very nicely. Hopefully I don't mess up because like, look how good they look. Okay, let's try on the next one. Oh wow, this is actually really cute. I think it fits me really well. I don't think I have to do anything to it really on making it fit. The only thing I'm going to do is take these straps off, and then I'm going to add this to it. Here is the pink top that fits me too big. I like tied the straps a bunch because if I didn't, this area would be like down here. When I alter this, I'm definitely gonna make the straps smaller. I think we're gonna like cut everything off at the bottom and leave it like something like this. And here is the last top. It is very fitted on me. I like it too because it's so soft. I'm probably gonna crop it like to right here, and then I'm gonna add the little butterfly like somewhere on here, probably right there. I think this has potential, but this is probably gonna be the easiest one. We'll see. Okay, so the jeans. What we're gonna do is basically we are just going to cut the different colored jeans, not the ones you're gonna wear. We're gonna cut them. We are gonna cut from right here to right here. So you're gonna cut all the way down and all the way down on this side, and then we will go on from there. So you're gonna lay your jeans flat on any surface, and you're just gonna cut the jeans. And it's also probably easier if you use fabric scissors. I'm gonna match up the leg. When I put it on, it will look like it's inside of the jean, you know, instead of kind of like on top. You just gotta see what side of the jeans you cut matches best, because if it's too small, then that's not gonna work. I went ahead and cut the pieces, and now I'm gonna sew them on. The next few parts are just gonna be me sewing everything, putting it together. So I just finished the pants, and here's how they came out. They look so cute. I can't wait to try them on for you guys. On to the next one. It is going to be the top that matches with these pants. Like I said, I'm going to be cutting off the straps. I don't need to alter anything else because it fits me really nicely. And then I will be adding this flowery lace all around the boob area, basically. I'm just gonna glue that onto it with fabric glue, and it should stay on pretty well since it's not very see-through, so I don't think it will fall off. Let's get started on this one. We're gonna cut off the front of it. Gotta be a little careful. The next one, there you go. No more sleeves on her. We are going to add this. We're gonna start from right here, from the corner. This is looking so cute. Oh my god, it's like so simple, but like it makes a big difference. Here is the final product of the little top. Total Y2K vibes. I love it so much. On to the next one. We're going to alter this cute little top. I'm going to cut off all of this off, so that's kind of like a bralette type of vibe. Then we're going to make the sleeves shorter. I think the first thing I'm going to do is probably cut off the bottom of it. I just finished cutting off the bottom of the top, and it's already looking so cute. Now the next thing we're gonna do is add the fabric tape so that it creates a hem-like type of thing. We are going to cut the straps. I finished with the top. Here is what she looks like. I decided to do kind of like a halter style, and then I also made the back smaller by like tying it with some leftover string that I had from the straps. Basically, we are done. This is the top. It looks so cute. Here is the last thrift flip. We are going to cut it into a cute little crop top, and then we are gonna apply this little patch on it. Let's get this started so I can sleep after this. Now it is time to add the patch to the middle. There's like a weird residue left on the shirt now. I don't know what the heck that is. Hopefully it doesn't show in pictures. So I tried doing the stitching, then I realized it was gonna take forever to fill it up. The best I could come up with last minute is to put lace around the neck area, and I think it looks decent, you know, kind of goes with the vibes of the shirt. But anyways, now that I'm done doing all of my thrift flips, I'm gonna show you guys everything on me styled tomorrow morning. I'm gonna go to sleep now and I'll see you guys the next day. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, it is now the next day. I'm gonna go take some pictures and record a cute little montage in all the new clothing I created. I think they turned out pretty cute and I feel like you guys will really love them, so let's go do that. That is all. Hope you guys liked how all the thrift flips turned out. If you guys end up trying out any of them, please send me pictures. I would love to see. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be reading all of the comments. Thanks again to ThredUp for sponsoring this video. Make sure to use my code DOPEFAIRY for 30% off your first order. That is all. See you guys next time. Bye! If you didn't like my video, I'm so sorry. Hit subscribe. Join Fairy Army. If you didn't like my video, why don't you like it? I'm so sorry. Not really. Hit subscribe. Hit that button. Join Fairy Army. Just join it, bitch.